Hey guys, how's it going? Today I am going to be replacing the rear console vent plate here in my 2011 Honda Pilot Touring. As you can see here, there is some damage done here to the left vent as well as the faceplate here. Long story short, a few weeks ago I was in the midst of traveling to a friend's house with my floor jack and a few other components, and I had this middle row seat face down, and had to slam on the brakes at a traffic light just getting off the highway, and I didn't have the jack in a secure place, and it basically went flying right here into this vent and basically just crushed the thing. So have a new unit in the back, which I am going to be replacing it with. As you can see, I actually went ahead already, cheated a little bit, and already pried it off. Used this little pry tool and got in either side. Just enough to kind of get it out, and then you can kind of just pull it out the rest of the way. Once you do that, there is one connector over here. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, just it's plugged into here. I already went ahead and removed that. And then you basically have it out. And here is the box that includes the new rear faceplate as well as the left rear console vent. I ordered this from Honda Parts Connection. And here's the receipt for the parts I ordered. In my case, I had a warm gray trim panel. If you ever need to order a rear console for a 2010 to 2012, I think it is, Honda Pilot, make sure you have your vehicle identification number handy, as your trim piece may vary. There's also a black one sold, so make sure you have your vehicle identification number handy so that you get the right trim panel for your car. And here are the two new parts I ordered, packaged up. Gonna get these out and ready to install in the car. Okay, so here is the old part with the new one. And it looks like I have to remove a bunch of screws here. Looks like these are Phillips head. 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. Then another 4 on this side. Then another 2 down here. Another 2 in there. And then this part should come off. So I'm going to do that, and I'll show you what I have next. Okay, now I have all that stuff off. Looks like we have 3 more Phillips head screws over here. Looks like this AC adapter just pops out, as does the climate control buttons over here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll update you as I progress. And now the only final thing left to swap over is these white clips over here. As you can see, the new one didn't come with them, so I'm going to be swapping those over from the old one to the new unit. All right, as you can see, I have the new vents and the AC adapter outlet, climate controls, and everything installed in the new rear console piece here. The other thing I went ahead and did here was I replaced the insulation molding around the vents, because the one that was on this and this is looking kind of worn on the old one, so I just went ahead and replaced that while I was in here. So I'm just going to button up all the rest of the accessories and get this ready to go back in the car. Okay, as you can see, I now have the new unit installed in the car. And everything seems to be working as it should. So, job well done. And I hope this video was helpful to all of you who are looking to replace the rear console plate in your on the pilot. So thanks for watching.